So if you're a business owner and you're just concerned about constant bills coming in, the rising energy costs which are impacting the ability of your business to make a profit, then have you considered solar? Solar could be an excellent way to reduce your exposure to external and international markets. When one country invades another, this can cut off supply chains and increase the cost of fuel prices globally. And in your own little part of the northwest of England or in the UK, you wonder why these externalities are impacting your ability to make a profit and impacting on your bottom line. And one of those ways to secure against these externalities is to put solar panels on your roof. Just have a system that when you're operating during daylight hours, you can get free electricity, therefore reducing the amount of your outgoings that you're paying for on electricity costs. So ultimately, solar could help you reduce the cost that you have, therefore make that hurdle that you've got to jump over slightly shorter in order to make a profit.